I'm enjoying a calm moment today between the complexity of trying to build an application with AI. I spend my entire day on that. I'm tired, my eyes are... I cannot look at a screen anymore, so I'm just filming a new video. Um, my name is Patrice, by the way, for those who don't know me. Welcome to my channel. I speak about creative reinvention after 40. I'm reinventing myself, and now my new chapter is to try to develop an application with AI. It's a dashboard that I wanted to create. At the beginning I wanted to have just a dashboard, but the thing is a dashboard just shows you the past, shows you how did things go last month, last week, how was this month compared to last month. It really a snapshot of the past of your business, and I wanted something that was smarter, that would look at my data and be able to recommend the next best step. What should I be doing? Where should I concentrate my efforts into my business to have the best results as possible? And so we had to fight with installing programming environment. At the beginning I was with Codex, but then the OpenAI doesn't support my Visa prepaid card. I had to install Cursor, I installed Visual Studio, GitHub, components. Like, they say that yes, AI can help you create more application. It's easier, yes, I don't deny that it's easier, but it's not as simple as the advertising might let you think. And I've studied computer science. I'm not a programmer, I never programmed professionally, but I know how the technical part is working, but it's still not as easy as they want you to believe. So I spent the entire day trying to build my dashboard, making sure that everything was working. I still don't have a lot of depth between what I did, because I just worked on that the entire day. Now it's kind of working. The major milestone that we did today was to plug an AI model reading my data and interpreting my data. So I have a script that goes daily, that uploads my YouTube videos, my Omnisend campaign, my financials, revenues, expense, all of that. It integrates all my actual data from my real business. And now today we plugged DeepSeek, but whatever the model that I'm choosing, it's independent from the code. But we say that it's artificial intelligence, but sometimes it's artificial dumb also. If you don't specifically tell something, the AI cannot invent, and it would just like at the beginning it was thinking that I was a Fortune 500 corporation with hundreds of employees. The things that he was saying didn't make sense in my context, because I'm a solo creator, I have a very small business, I'm just by myself. So the goal is to have a dashboard that is smart enough, that would tell me where I should be working, what's my priority, what is the best return on investment on my time, to be able to not just be by myself, but also have someone like a coach that would guide me into what is the most relevant task that I should be doing in my business today. That is music. Cool. So we realized that when I say we, me and the ChatGPT, because he's helping me develop the code and make sense of all that. We now have like all the data from my business, actual stats that are, and I have AI that will go through the data, through the dashboard, try to make sense of it. But if he doesn't know something, we have to instruct the AI to not invent data, not answer things like, oh, just create more video in English. He doesn't need to tell me that, because I'm already posting 3 or 4 videos every week on both of my channels. I post every day in French and in English. So he doesn't need to tell me, oh, post more videos, because the English channel has better response than the French channel. Yes, I know. I already post every single day and I have my nose in the analytics. So the goal is not to replace my analytics that I have in different software, but to bring everything in one single place and try to make sense of all the data points that I accumulate in the spreadsheet, and more data points for training the AI. Just having things that what is your role? How do you think? How do we define success? Where is my where I should put my time based on actual relevant data. So all that kind of stuff. And AI is very good to process a large quantity of data, but where it sometimes can create things that he's not supposed to do is if he doesn't know something, like the example that I was giving, that yes, you think that I am a big corporation, but you don't know that I am a solo creator. The answers will not make sense in that context. Or if you tell me that I need to put more effort into my English channel,
Seguro que está a punto de terminar o ha terminado. Y no me va el teléfono.
you don't need to tell me that, because I already know and I am already posting a lot on my English channel. So things like that. So just to train the AI about the context, about who I am, where my business is going, what I'm already doing with my business, just to teach that AI. And the good thing is that the AI will learn based on based on the results of the AI. AI will train itself and learn based on my data, learn about the recommendation that it gives in the past, to not keep every week telling me that I need to make more English videos. No, first he needs to know that I am already posting in English, that I'm already doing this and that, and recommendation needs to be aligned with my priorities, my rules, my mission, all those kind of things. That will be self-updated within the spreadsheet by the same code every day. So it's a complex task. It's a huge dashboard. I'm exhausted today, honestly. I worked very hard. Even if they say that AI can code, yes, but you still need a human to supervise, because otherwise it's just a mess. And yeah, it's like raising a little baby dog. You need to put some time in training him. And but yeah, I'm tired but happy about the results, because now we're trying to more in-store like features, and not just trying to fight against the infrastructure. So yeah, it's a tough process, but yeah, satisfying. So let me know if that's something that you have some interest. Have you tried building an app with AI? Do you have ideas that oh, I should have an app for that, or I should build my data for this purpose or that context? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if that's something that you tried or you have interest in, or maybe not at all. leave a comment, tell us about your experience. I will be happy to read everyone, and if you like what I do, my name is Patrice, and I will see you in the next video.